Hi children, welcome back to our SS class. All are fine? Okay, today we are going to study a new chapter in your SS textbook. Chapter 3, Regions of India. Okay, in this chapter we learned about physical features of India. Okay, we are living big and beautiful India. Okay. First you take your textbook page number 196. All of you take page number 196. Okay, are you ready? Okay, we are Indians. We are Indians. We live in big and beautiful India. India is the seventh largest country in the world. Our country, India, the seventh largest country in the world. Then if you look at a map of India, you will see the Indian Ocean in the south. India's south portion, yes, Indian Ocean. And to the east lies the Bay of Bengal. The east, Bay of Bengal. Then west to lies Arabian Sea. India's west part, Arabian Sea. Then in the north are the great mountain ranges known as the Himalaya. India's topmost part lies Himalayan ranges. Okay, all of you look at the India's map, page number 197. Okay, dear students, all of you look this map. This is our country, India, India's map. Okay, do you see Indian Ocean in the south? Do you see Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal here? Bay of Bengal in the east, India's east portion lies Bay of Bengal. Okay, then India's west part, which ocean, which sea? Yes, Arabian Sea. Here, Arabian Sea. This is India's west part. Then here in top of here north direction. Okay, here mountain ranges. Okay, northern mountain ranges here. Northern mountain ranges. This is Bay of Bengal. West east Bay of Bengal and west Arabian Sea and south Indian Ocean. Do you understand? India's north portion, northern mountain ranges. Here, northern mountain ranges. India's east portion, Bay of Bengal. Then West Arabian Sea and South, yes, Indian Ocean. Okay, this is our country, India. Okay. India is a country of diverse landforms. Okay. There are mountains, plains, deserts, plateaus, and coastal lands, islands also. Okay, India is a country of diverse landforms. Which landforms? Yes, mountains, plains, deserts, plateaus, coastlines, and islands. Okay. First, we are discuss about mountains and hills. Mountains and hills. The world famous mountains of Himalayas are located in the north. The world famous mountains of Himalayas are located in the north of India. Okay. The Himalayas, also known as northern mountains. Himalayas, also known as northern mountains. All of you understand? Himalayas, also known as northern mountains. Okay, all of you look at the textbook page number 196. Mountains and hills. Himalaya means home of snow. Himalaya means home of snow. Most of the Himalayan mountain peaks are covered with the snow throughout the year. The climate is extremely cold. Okay. നമ്മുടെ ഇന്ത്യയുടെ 4 ഭാഗങ്ങളിലുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങൾ പറഞ്ഞല്ലോ അല്ലേ? ഇന്ത്യയുടെ ഈസ്റ്റ് ഭാഗത്ത് ബേ ഓഫ് ബംഗാളും വെസ്റ്റ് അറേബ്യൻ സീയും സൗത്ത് ഇന്ത്യൻ ഓഷ്യൻ. ഇന്ത്യയുടെ ഈ 3 ഭാഗങ്ങളിലും വെള്ളമാണ് അല്ലേ? ദെൻ north part of India, mountains. ഇന്ത്യയുടെ നോർത്തേൺ ഭാഗത്ത് മൗണ്ടെയ്ൻസ് ആണ്. ആ മൗണ്ടെയ്ൻസ് ആണ് ലോകത്തിൽ എമ്പാടും അറിയപ്പെടുന്ന, ലോകത്തിലെ ഫേമസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള മൗണ്ടെയ്ൻ റേഞ്ചസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഹിമാലയാസ് ആണ് അവിടെ. ദിസ് ഹിമാലയാസ് ആൾസോ നോൺ ആസ് നോർത്തേൺ മൗണ്ടെയ്ൻസ്. ഹിമാലയത്തിന് നോർത്തേൺ മൗണ്ടെയ്ൻസ് എന്നും പറയാറുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, വാട്ട്സ് ദ മീനിങ് ഓഫ് ഹിമാലയാസ്? യെസ്, home of snow. Home, you know, home, that's home, വീട്. Then snow, മഞ്ഞ്, ഐസ്. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ most of Himalaya mountain peaks are covered with snow throughout the year. വർഷം മുഴുവനും ഐസ് മൂടിക്കിടക്കുന്ന പ്രദേശമാണ് ഹിമാലയ. ഓക്കെ, so the climate is extremely cold, very cold climate in there. Do you understand? Okay, then next page, look. Page number 197. No more. On 29 May 1953, Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay become the first people to set foot on the top of Mount Everest. ഹിമാലയത്തിലെ ഏറ്റവും ഉയരം കൂടിയ മൗണ്ടെയിൻ ആയ മൗണ്ട് എവറസ്റ്റിൽ ഫസ്റ്റ് ടൈം അവിടെ കാലുകുത്തിയ ആളുകളാണ് എഡ്മണ്ട് ഹിലാരി ആൻഡ് ടെൻസിങ് നോർവേ. എഡ്മണ്ട് ഹിലാരിയും ടെൻസിങ് നോർവേയുമാണ് ഒരുമിച്ച് പോയത്. Yes, 1953 May 29. Okay, all of you understand? Okay, all of you take page number 198. Look at the paragraph. The Himalayas have several of the highest mountain peaks in the world. Highest of all is Mount Everest, which has height of 8,848 meters. The Himalayas have several the highest mountain peaks in the world. Several highest peaks in the world were Himalayan ranges. The highest of all is Mount Everest. This Mount Everest highest height, okay, 8,848 meters height in the Mount Everest. All of you understand? Many big rivers such as Ganga, Yamuna, Indus and Brahmaputra starts from the Himalayas and flow to lower grounds. Fed by the melting snow on the mountains, these rivers have water throughout the year. Many big rivers such as Ganga, Yamuna, Indus and Brahmaputra. Ganga, Yamuna and Indus. Ganga, Yamuna, Indus and Brahmaputra. These rivers starts from where? Yes, Himalayan ranges. Okay. Many rivers started from the Himalayan mountains. Okay, understand? The main rivers Ganga, Yamuna, Indus and Brahmaputra. These 4 rivers started from where? Yes, Himalayan ranges. Okay. Fed by the melting snow on the mountains, these rivers have water through the year. These Himalayan ranges are covered with ice through the year. Okay. So, through the years, these 4 rivers full of water. Do you understand? ഹിമാലയത്തിൽ നിന്നും ഉത്ഭവിക്കുന്ന ഈ നദികളായ ഗംഗ, യമുന, ഇൻഡസ്, ബ്രഹ്മപുത്ര എന്നീ നദികളിൽ വർഷം മുഴുവനും ഫുൾ ഓഫ് വാട്ടർ ആയിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, എന്താ കാരണം? ഹിമാലയത്തിലെ മഞ്ഞ് ഉരുകിയാണ് ആ നദിയിലൂടെ വെള്ളം വരുന്നത്, ആ റിവേഴ്സിലൂടെ വെള്ളം വരുന്നത്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഹിമാലയത്തിൽ മഞ്ഞ് ഉള്ളതുകൊണ്ട് ആ മഞ്ഞ് ഉരുകുന്ന വെള്ളം കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ഈ നദികളിലൂടെ ഒഴുകി വരുന്നു. അതുകൊണ്ട് വർഷം മുഴുവനും ഈ നദികൾ ഫുൾ ഓഫ് വാട്ടറായിരിക്കും, എപ്പോഴും നിറഞ്ഞ് കവിഞ്ഞൊഴുകുന്ന നദികൾ. ഡു യു അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? ഓക്കെ. In the southwest part of the country are mountains called Western Ghats. In the southeast there are mountains called the Eastern Ghats. In the southwest part of our country, are mountain ranges. These mountain ranges are called the Western Ghats. Ghats means മലനിരകൾ. ഓക്കെ, പർവ്വതനിരകളാണ് ഗാഡ്സ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ഇൻ ദ സൗത്ത് വെസ്റ്റ് പാർട്ട്, നമ്മുടെ ഇന്ത്യയുടെ സൗത്ത് വെസ്റ്റ് പാർട്ടിൽ ഉള്ള മൗണ്ടെയിൻസിനെ, ചെയിൻ ഓഫ് മൗണ്ടെയിൻസിനെ വെസ്റ്റേൺ ഗാഡ്സ് എന്നും, ഇൻ ദ സൗത്ത് ഈസ്റ്റ് parts of our country have mountains, so mountain ranges. These mountain ranges are called Eastern Ghats. Okay, do you understand? Southwestern mountain ranges called Western Ghats and southeast mountain ranges are called Eastern Ghats. Okay, then other parts of our country have low mountains ranges called hills. Other parts of our country have low mountain ranges. Low mountain ranges. These low mountain ranges are called hills. Do you understand? Other part of our country have low mountain ranges. These low mountain ranges are called hills. Hills much smaller than a mountain. Hills much smaller than a mountains. മൗണ്ടെയിൻസിനേക്കാളും കുറച്ച് ചെറുതായിരിക്കും ഹിൽസ്. മൗണ്ടെയിൻസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഹയസ്റ്റ് റേഞ്ച്, ദെൻ ഹിൽസ് മൗണ്ടെയിൻസിനേക്കാളും കുറച്ച് ലോസ്റ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, ഡു യു അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? ഓക്കെ, ദ Vindhya ranges and Satpura hills are in the center of India, while the Nilgiri hills are in the south. Okay, Vindhya ranges and Satpura hills located in center of India. Vindhya ranges and Satpura hills, these two hills situated in the center India, and Nilgiri hills are in the south. Do you see Nilgiri hills? Do you see Ooty, the hill station? Yes, the Ooty situated in the Nilgiri hills. Okay, Ooty in Nilgiri hills. Okay, this Nilgiri hills in the southern part of India. Okay, do you understand? All of you understand? Okay, all of you look page number 198. Okay, all of you follow me. The Himalayas have several of the highest mountain peaks in the world. Highest of all is Mount Everest, which has a highest height of 8,848 meters. Many big rivers such as the Ganga, Yamuna, Indus and Brahmaputra start from the Himalayas and flow to lower ground. Fed by the melting snow on the mountains, these rivers have water throughout the year. In the southwest part of the country are mountains called the Western Ghats. In the southeast, there are mountains called the Eastern Ghats. Other parts of our country have low mountain ranges called hills. The Vindhya ranges and Satpura hills are in central India, while the Nilgiri hills are in the south. Okay, all of you read this 5 times today. Okay, and study. Okay, next. Okay, all of you look at the board. This is your dictation words. Okay, mountains, Himalaya, Mount Everest, Ganga, Yamuna, Indus, Brahmaputra. Mountains, Himalaya, Mount Everest, Ganga, Yamuna, Indus and Brahmaputra. This dictation words you write in your notebook 10 times. Okay, and study with. Okay, students, we will meet our next class. Okay.